Zillow Real Estate Investment App Review, Usage Experience. Links to Zillow and related resources can be found in the description below. Zillow is one of the most popular real estate platforms, offering a wide range of tools and data for homebuyers, sellers, renters, and investors. With its comprehensive database and user-friendly app, Zillow has become a go-to resource for real estate investors looking to analyze markets, find properties, and make informed decisions. One of Zillow's standout features is its extensive property database, which includes millions of listings across the United States. Whether you're looking for single-family homes, multifamily properties, or land, Zillow's search filters make it easy to narrow down options based on price, location, property type, and features. This is invaluable for investors searching for properties that meet their specific criteria. Zillow also provides detailed property information, including estimated market values, Zestimates, historical price trends, and neighborhood data. While Zestimates are not always 100% accurate, they offer a useful starting point for evaluating potential investments. Additionally, the platform includes insights into local schools, crime rates, and amenities, helping you assess the overall quality of a neighborhood. Another key advantage is Zillow's rental tools, which are particularly useful for investors managing or planning to purchase rental properties. The Rental Manager feature allows landlords to list properties, screen tenants, and collect rent, all in one place. For investors considering rental properties, this feature simplifies ongoing management tasks. Zillow's foreclosure and pre-foreclosure listings are also a major benefit for investors looking to find properties at a discount. These opportunities can be filtered directly in the search settings, making it easier to identify potential deals in competitive markets. While Zillow offers a wealth of data and features, it's important to note that the platform doesn't provide direct investment tools or portfolio management features. Investors will need to pair Zillow with other tools or services for tasks like financing and property management. In conclusion, Zillow is an excellent platform for real estate investors seeking market insights, property analysis, and rental management tools in one place. Its extensive database and user-friendly interface make it an essential resource for finding and evaluating investment opportunities. Check the links in the description to explore Zillow and see if it aligns with your real estate goals. This review should provide clarity on whether Zillow is the right platform for your investment journey.